Hi guys, the starting level in Candy Crush Jelly is 2150. That's a green monkey level with ties. So a lot of stuff happened in the Disney Magic Kingdoms game yesterday. I decided to buy, with diamonds, a Winnie the Pooh chest, and I actually got Winnie the Pooh, which is my all-time favorite character. I have loved Winnie the Pooh since I was born practically, so that's cool. And the Tigor was a greater chance of getting from the chest, so I bought another Winnie the Pooh chest. Guess who also joined my little kingdom? That's right, Aru, I got Tigor. So after a while later, I was like, okay well, I only need Owl and then I'd have the Winnie the Pooh collection. I think they should add Cassie and Gopher. Gopher is in most of the movies and episodes. I love Cassie, the bluebird rabbit saved. But I am extremely happy that I have all the characters from the actual Winnie the Pooh event. Owl was a Tower Challenge character, so, yeah. So was Christopher Robin, and I got Christopher Robin through a chest also. Laugh out loud, but I'm excited about Winnie the Pooh the most because he's been with me since I can remember. I'm kinda obsessed with Winnie the Pooh. I even bought a Winnie the Pooh sweatshirt last year to wear on my birthday. And I did wear it on my birthday, however, I was locked in my room on my birthday. So yeah. Anyway, welcome to the vlog, and that's all folks. So happy Memorial Day. Thanks to all the veterans out there. I appreciate all of your services. I have tons to do. And that's all, folks. Hi guys, so the wheelchair guy just left, and I feel bad for contacting them because the problem is my fault, but we didn't know that the problem was actually going to be a problem until it became a problem. And then he explained it. So basically, I have 2 batteries in my wheelchair, and they are not balanced with each other, and the wheelchair is like, hey, I need charged, but it's reading off of 1 battery. So the reality is, 1 battery is dead, while the other battery is fully charged, but my wheelchair is complicated. I have no clue what I'm talking about, so if you're confused, me too. Anyway, I'm not wearing a sweatshirt. What, am I sick? No, I'm not sick. We don't have air conditioning right now and it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit outside. So I'm wearing my summer clothes. The Disney Magic Kingdoms game updated this morning, and I was about to freak out because I couldn't find the daily chest. So yeah, apparently they changed the chest screen. I figured it out though. I'm on a Jelly Queen level. I'm going to get on my computer, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. So last night, we put my wheelchair on the car charger because the guy recommended it. And both batteries were all the way charged to somewhere in the 13-volt range. Now I just lost a bar. What the heck? I could see it if I was at the zoo driving around, but I've been at my desk all day long, so obviously, it's still a problem. I'm so excited for tomorrow. It's first and foremost my daddy's birthday. I have been graduated from high school for 12 years now. That's painful to say. And the Tower Challenge starts tomorrow, which means I get a Finding Nemo legendary chest, which means another possible character. I'm hoping for Dari or Bruce. Bruce is a feature character as the Tower Challenge, which means he never gets tired. So yeah. He would be nice to have. This month is packed full. So yeah. Stay tuned all month. This is not the end of the video. So get your hand away from the mouse. Laugh out loud. I'm going to do something. And that's all, folks. guys. So the tower challenge has officially started. Today's daily reward in the DMK game was a legendary Finding Nemo chest, and I actually got Bruce, the shark. I feel like if you don't know who Nemo is, you're not a human being. But today is my dad's birthday. He's old, but he rocks. It's also the day I graduated high school. I have been graduated for 12 years already. So I feel old. It's awesome that I graduated on my dad's 50th birthday because it's easy to know how many years I've been out of high school. I'm just saying, life hack, laugh out loud. So yeah, I'm going to go do something. And that's all, folks. Hi guys, the ending level in Candy Crush Jelly is 2363. That's a pinkish purplish Mary licorice level with an eating flower and butterscotch. I am trucking right along in the tower challenge. I haven't officially gotten anything. But I have everything except the main character in this event. The main character is Bailey from Finding Dory. I should be able to get him, but we shall see. My wheelchair has all of the bars still, so my battery is holding itself, knock on wood. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thumbs up and subscribe and check out my Instagram. And that's all, folks.